Hello, today I'll be shooting a Tokyo Marui SR-16 M4. Now the thing is, with this one, I've got fitted onto it a GMP aim point, just the normal red dot, right? But, I don't really like red dots too much, because, I mean, I'd usually be picking people off at further range, so I decided to buy a GMP 2x magnifier with it. The only problem with that was, you then lose the front scope cover, because it won't fit on the outside of this. So what I did was, I took a small file, like so, round the edge of this scope cover, and super glued it onto the inside of the magnifier. So now I can have the magnifier protected, which is all good, because quite a bit of money overall, don't want to get it all shot out. So now for shooting. And remember, when you've finished, expel any BBs left in the hop-up chamber and do 2 shots to reset the piston's position so your spring doesn't wear out over time. Cheers for watching.